Hi, my name is Emily, and I'm doing my presentation on osteoporosis. So what is osteoporosis? So it's the breaking down of the bone tissue, and the creation of the new bone isn't able to keep up with the bone's breaking down, so that causes it to be really weak and brittle. And as you can see here, this is what a healthy bone looks like, and then this is what the different stages of osteoporosis, and this is the most worst stage. So you can see that there's it's not even filled anymore, there's just spots everywhere. And then it commonly occurs in the hip, wrist, or the vertebrae. So as you can see right here, it's just causing the slouching. And then the hip right here at the head of the femur, that's where there's a lot that happens there. And osteoporosis can affect both men and women. So a slight cough or a sneeze can definitely break a rib or a vertebrae. So people with osteoporosis have to really be careful with that. And older women, older white women or Asian women, are more susceptible to getting osteoporosis. So the signs and symptoms of osteoporosis will be back pain, which I said before, in the vertebrae, that's where it would show up for older people. So back pain, loss of height over time, so the bone's breaking down, wearing down is obviously going to affect the vertebrae, causing a shortening for the height. Bad posture, your bone structure can no longer support your posture, so you're more likely to slouch, this woman right here. Or these people are here, as you can see. So to prevent osteoporosis, there are many things you can do. You can exercise really well. There's different forms of exercise. Or you can eat all your vitamins, your nutritions, and the two main things that you would mostly need would be calcium and vitamin D. You need all the vitamins, but mostly calcium and vitamin D. And calcium is the main mineral found in bone, and vitamin D helps absorb the calcium, so that just goes well together. And for calcium, there's supplements, there's low-fat dairy products, leafy greens, like spinach, kale, there's salmon and sardines, or there's these fish oils from the salmon. People take those too. Soy products and orange juice. And vitamin D would be cod liver oil, trout, salmon, milk, or cereal. And preventions of exercise would be another form would be exercise. So weight bearing, the ones that you are standing on your feet, your weight is on your feet and your hips. So when you walk, you walk every day, that's already exercising. A little more would be hiking up hills and climbing stairs, or just dancing, just moving around. And then there's resistance exercising. So that would be weight machines at the gym, or there's those really heavy dumbbells. There's weights for when you lay on your stomach at the gym, then you can do donkey kicks with the weight on your foot. And then flexibility, you can stretch every day to stretch out those muscles, or Tai Chi or yoga, which can also strengthen the bone. Yoga or Tai Chi doesn't look so intense, but it's really, it causes a lot of resistance, and you just have to learn how to be graceful and control where your body is going. So I feel that's a lot of exercise. And this is my works cited. So this is my presentation on osteoporosis. Thank you for listening.